Oh my God. Oh yeah. Maybe one day, boys.
Sway.
What's good, everybody? Jordan here, back with another vlog. Hope you guys are having a blessed and productive day out here back in Colorado. Going back to Copper today. Not really gonna do too much talking, honestly. Just wanted to get on here and make this intro. It feels so good to be back talking back to the camera again. I'm not gonna lie, but I got about a 30-minute drive to Copper right now. Currently camping out in Leadville, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good day and just try to get better. And yeah, see where it takes us. Pretty much gonna do a bunch of POV style rides today, and just set the camera on my helmet. And yeah, we're gonna get it in. Like I said, hopefully I'm gonna get better today, and that's the goal. Have some fun, good vibes, good music, get some good footage for you guys. And yeah, we'll see what the day brings us. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all out there. Hey, you! But honestly, I did it again. I forgot the attachments in the car. I don't even have a reason. I don't know why I'm leaving the attachments in the car. And this time I actually thought that I had all the attachments that I needed. But I guess I didn't. So anyway, I'm back at the car. Crazy day at Copper. Rode for about 3 hours. Slushy is, honestly, we had spring conditions today, so a little crusty on some places, but other than that, the snow is pretty good. A little icy in other places, but honestly, I couldn't ask for a better day. It is spring break, so it was a little crowded, you know, especially once the morning started picking up and the afternoon started rolling in and riders on the mountain. So you just have to keep your head on the swivel. And honestly, I was tired of keeping my head on the swivel. There were people everywhere. So I'm just psyched to be here, really grateful. Honestly, I really wish I could have gotten all of the footage that I want to get for you guys. There's gonna be a complete POV day, and I made some good progression. Honestly, I was ollieing some rollers. I felt really good. Going through the motions, hit the Peace Park for the first time. That was amazing. I would have liked to have that recorded, but it's all good. Honestly, I'll be back here tomorrow, and I'm gonna remember everything that, you know, I needed basically, and I'm just gonna hook it up for tomorrow and make sure that I got everything set. So appreciate you guys for watching. Gonna have some raw footy coming soon. Got my fiance with me this time around, so that's pretty cool. Gonna see what she's up to. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. I'll be here tomorrow again at Copper. I'm just gonna keep this video rolling, honestly, and just like skip to like a day 2, just because I didn't get any footage today, and it was just a bunch of talking and scenery montages and stuff like that. So yeah, I got you guys. We're not gonna leave here without any of the proper footage. You know, I think tomorrow I'll be here at like 9 o'clock, just before open maybe. I don't know, I move pretty slow in the mornings, but nonetheless, I'm gonna get some footage for you guys. Don't worry, we're gonna have some raw POV, and yeah, we're gonna have a good time. But until then, see you guys tomorrow. You. All right, back to day 2. Let's try this again. What up, bro? Chilling. Yeah. Oh my God, these guys are fast as hell. Does that need my pants bigger. Leave the pants in the so I can switch them. Maybe one day, boys. Oh, gotta go toes here. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, entrance. Holy. Oh my God. Nasty. Ew. Alright y'all, so that's it from Copper. Today, such a good day. Some of the footage that I was able to get, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best snowboarder in the world. And honestly, it's all about progression, so that's exactly what happened today. There's a whole bunch of progression. I was able to get some ollies off of the rollers today out there in the park. Peace Park is just insane, bro. Peace Park is just insane. Like, conditions, all-time high. Spring conditions, 35, 40 degrees. Crunchy snow around some places. Soft snow, powdery, and nice little shaded area trees. So good. honestly, not sure if tomorrow I'm gonna be at another mountain, but I'm always gonna take you guys with me. Man, today was such a good day. I'm just really glad that I was able to finally do some work with the camera, bro. Get some footage for you guys. It's definitely not gonna be the best footage, but I'm telling you, as the seasons go on and as the seasons progress, and every season I'm just gonna get better and better and better and better, and you guys are gonna be like, golly, where do you know how to snowboard like that? It's gonna be crazy. So you guys stay tuned for that. Honestly, out here solo, so much better with a crew. But what can you do? I like to meet people out here and vibe out and see who's got the best route, who's got the best lines. And yeah, I feel like I say that every day is like one of the best days ever. Every time I come to Copper, we got to see if it's anything different anywhere else, you know, especially at Winter Park. I just forgot to take my boots off. I can't believe I just forgot to take my boots off. But yeah, bro, definitely got to check out Winter Park Steamboat. I heard Steamboat's got the most snow out of the entire city or the entire state this year. So, but other than that, man, I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you're watching this, if you went through the whole thing, didn't really get a lot of footage yesterday. I didn't get any footage yesterday, as a matter of fact. So what I got planned for the rest of the day is go back to the Airbnb and see what my girl's doing. She's probably in there doing some hard work, gonna see if she wants to get something to eat. And yeah, because I'm starving. I've been out here since 10:30, 11, and I don't even know what time it is, but all I know is my body's smoked a little bit right now, not gonna lie. But I'm so grateful to be out here. I'm so blessed, man. This is so amazing. Gratitude is peaking right now. Gratitude. One of these days I'm manifesting it right here, right now. We're gonna find such a dope crew, and we're gonna have so much better content, so much more content, and honestly, everything's just gonna be all time. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs for right now. I'm still getting used to everything, adjusting on the road, adjusting on the fly, and forgetting pieces and parts, and my brain's moving 1,000 miles at a time. So I really appreciate you guys for being patient with me with getting this footage out and getting this stuff recorded. And it's only gonna get better from here. So appreciate you guys for watching. And yeah, I'm gonna hit the road, go back to the Airbnb, get some food. Might see you guys there. And yeah, by the way, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you like it. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see more, where you want to see me go, more trades, more vlogs, more trading within the vlogs. Let me know. We got a lot of stuff to get out. We got a lot of things to teach some people, investing, snowboarding, skateboarding, whatever it is. So yeah, whatever it is, just let me know down in the comments, on Instagram, anywhere you can find me, honestly. And just let me know what you guys want to see. And also let me know if you guys ever want to meet up on mountain and you guys want to get some turns on hill. Because I'm always down to link with you guys and really just get a nice crew out here going. So yeah, just a little PSA.